Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite CAD Club channel Quantifiers. Today in our daily DILR series, we are going to discuss a set upon DI. It's a conditional DILR based series in which logic works a lot. So if you are able to get it clicked in the first go, it is very easy. Other way around, it might be a little trickier if you try some other unconventional methods. Let us see what is it. Okay. Before we move forward, like always, this is a special course launched for the people who fear DI. And if you wish to be the part of it, you can join with the link in the description. Okay. So let's see what the set says. And there are 6 friends, Akshay, Manoj, Pradeep, and so on. And they received a total of 50 presents for the Christmas. So these 6 people received 50 presents. The difference in the number of presents received by Manoj and Akshay is same as that by Vinod and Priya. So this is one condition. Number of presents that Manoj has is thrice of Vishal. So okay, there are some conditions that Manoj is thrice of Vishal. Pradeep is twice. Manoj is twice of Vishal. Pradeep is thrice of Vinod. Okay, and the number of presents received by Priya, Vinod, Vishal, and are in increasing order. So this was some good hint to start with, and everybody received some. So no one received a 0. So let us move to set and let us think how to proceed. So I know there are 6 people. The order is Priya is the lowermost. Okay, so say top is Akshay, followed by Manoj, Pradeep, then Vishal, Vinod, and Priya. These are the 6 people. So what is given to me? The conditions given to me that the number of presents is where Manoj is twice of Vishal. So Manoj is twice of Vishal. So this is X. This is 2X. Okay. Pradeep is thrice of Vinod. So if this is Y, this is 3Y. And then it is given to me that the difference between the gifts of Manoj and Akshay. So difference between them is equal to the difference between Vinod and Priya. The difference between them. And in totality they are 50. Okay, this is given to me. So let's say this is A and this is B. I know that A plus 2X plus 3Y plus X plus Y plus B is 50. Also A minus 2X is equal to Y minus B. Or I can say A plus B is equal to 2X plus Y. A very simple relation. Now, how can this help me? See, there are 4 variables as of now. And using this, I can, just size it to only 2 variables. So if I substitute A plus B here, what am I getting? I'm getting my equation as 2x, 2x, x, 5x plus 5y is equal to 50. Or I can say x plus y is 10. Now x plus y is 10, but I also know some constraints. What are those constraints? Like see, A is greater than 2x, 2x is greater than 3y, 3y is greater than x is greater than y, and y is greater than b. B is the minimum value. When I say b is the minimum value, then y, which is greater than b, should be greater than 1 because b can have at least 1 present, so y is definitely greater than 1. So let's make some cases. If y is equal to 2, x is equal to 8. So if I substitute it, y is 2, x is 8, y is 2, x is 8, y is 6. So this is wrong. Why? Because 3y has to be greater than x. So this case is not possible. Let's take y as 3, x is 7. So y is 3, x is 7, this is 9, this is 14. Okay, this is satisfying. Okay, let's see ahead. If y is 4, x is 6. See, y 4, x 6. So if y is 4, x is 6. And this is 12 and this is 12. This is again false because this has to be in increasing order. Which means I have only one solution because after that these are equal and then x has to be greater than y, which is not possible. So the only possible solution is this much that I wrote. Okay. Now in this case, if this is 3, this is the minimum value b. It can either be 1 or a 2. So in this case, 49, 9, 23 is 30, 33, 34. This can either be 15 or a 16. Simple as that. Only then my total will be 50. So this completes the data which I could fit in using the constraints. Let's move to the question. What is the median value of numbers? Median value 6. There are 6 values, so median will be the average of these two. 9 plus 7 by 2, that is 8. How many presents have Akshay and Priya received? So Akshay and Priya, either it is 15 plus 2 or 16 plus 1, then it is 17. Okay. A plus B is, I know, 2x plus y. I know that, so it is 17. Third question. Sid planned to give his group a few more presents in such that the number of presents formed by it are an AP. They are an increasing AP. Specific person may or may not have received extra present, but no person saw a decrease in original number of presents with him or her. What would be the minimum number of extra presents that set would need to buy? So I have to make it an increasing AP in this way. Okay. So first way is obviously hit and trial that I can try. So if this is 1, I cannot keep a D1. If I keep it 3, 5 is not possible because this is decreasing. If I keep the D as 4, then 1, 4, 11, 13, 17, and here it will be 18. So here it will be 19. Okay. If I am assuming it is 1, it will be 19. 1 and 3, 4. Sorry, no, it's not 11. 1, 4, 7, 10, and 13. It is not possible because Manoj will be contradicting. If I keep it as difference as 4, then this will be 5, this will be 9, this will be 13, this will be 17, and this will be 20. So there is a lot of gap. I have to increase a lot of variables. So, and if I keep moving forward, I will have to keep increasing on the variables. So so this is one series, 20, 17, 13, this is 21, 21, 17, 13, 9, 5, 1. This is one series. Now let us do some hit and trial with 2. So if I keeping it as 2, if I'm keeping it as 2, I have to keep it as 15. Then in this case, if I keep D as 1, it is not possible because there's next will be 4. If I keep D as 2, 2, 4, 6, not possible. If I keep D as 3, then 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. See, now it is again an AP is formed with a bit of hit and trial and a very easy method. So what is the number I have to increase here? 2 I have to increase here, 1 I have to increase here, 2 I have to increase here, and 2 I have to increase here. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Total 7 I have to increase. The minimum value I have to increase is 7, which in this case was pretty higher because 5 was only in this case only. Okay. So answer to this question is 5. Now, what if you have to do it with the proper approach? It is just by hit and try. ये तो मैंने अभी कर लिया. Otherwise, how will you do it? Let's say this is an AP, A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, A plus 5D. Now, what is the sum of this AP? Sum of this AP is greater than 50, obviously because I have to add on something. And sum of AP is 6 upon 2, n by 2. A plus L. A is A plus L is A plus 5D, so 2A plus 5. This is a sum which is greater than 50. So 3 into 2A plus 5D is greater than 50. So now I have to do some hit and trial and I have to see that what values I can fit here. It has to be multiple of 3. So if I put my 2A plus 5D as the total as, if I put the total as 51, then 2A plus 5D is 17. Okay, 2A plus 5D is 17. Now what are the solutions possible? If A is 1, B is 3. So A is 1, D is 3. We checked from it, and when A was 1, D was 3, it was not forming an AP. We already checked that. I know. Okay, what is the other solution? Other solution, A is 2, or if I say D is 2, it is not possible if D is 1. So if D is 1, 5 on the 5, 12, A is 6. 6, 7, 8, again not possible. This is not possible. Now, if I keep on move to the next variable, if I keep it as 54, let's say I keep 3 into 2A plus 5D is equal to 54. Then 2A plus 5D is 18. Then what are the solutions? At D is equal to 1, this is an odd. D cannot be 0. So D has to be 3. If D is 3, 3 by 15, no, D have to be 2. If D is 2, then A is 4. A is 4. then if a 4, and then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14. I know here it was 15 or 16. I have removed the number 15, 16. Here it was 1 or 2. Here it was 3. Here it was 9. Here it was I think 14, and it was 7. So this was my original series. Okay, so now the gifts cannot decrease. So with this the gifts are decreasing, which means this is also not a possible solution. Let me remove this also. Now let's move to the next case. When 2a plus 5d is equivalent to the next multiple, that is 57. Then 2a plus 5d is equal to 19. Now what are the solution? At d is equal to 2, at d is equal to 1, a is 7, at d is equal to 3, a is 2. And then I formed an AP with this 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17, and it satisfies. So this is the proper way of doing it. Otherwise, you can also do it simply by hit and trial. Okay, so this is done. Now let's see the last question. What does the last question say? The last question tells me that Akshay split half of his present. So Akshay has either 15 or 16. Since he is splitting half, which means the only possibility is 16, 14, 9, 7, 3 and 1. This is the case I am talking about, and Akshay has split his half, which means he is left with 8. Among the two other people, such that the total number of prime numbers remains constant. So how many prime numbers are there? 2. They have to remain constant. In how many ways he could have done it if no two numbers were the same? So he has to distribute 4 each. See, if he distributes 4 to this, it will become 18. So in any way, I am not going to allot this up. These two are already prime numbers. So if I give 4 to this, 4 to this, 11 and 7, this is one possible case. 1, 7, 11, 9, 14 and 16, this is one possible case. What is the other possible case? Okay. If I convert this, let's say if I try to change something in these 4 numbers, let's say if I add 4 to it, it becomes 13, and I add 4 to any of these numbers, then the total number of prime numbers will be, which is not possible anyway. And if I add 4 to it, then this is 7, this is 3. The total number of prime numbers are 3. It is also not possible. Now, which means that I cannot add 4 to these odd numbers, because if I am adding 4 to this and I am converting any of them, the number of prime numbers are increasing. What is the other possibility? That let us say I keep them intact, or if I try to change anything else, not possible. Okay. If I add 4 to it, it becomes 11. And then if I add 4 to it, it becomes 18. This is another possibility. 8, 18, 9, 11, 3 and 1. Okay, so these are the only two possibilities, because in this case, if I add 4, this will become 7, which is equal to this, and it is not possible that 2 are equal. Okay. So this will suffice. So there are 2 possible ways. So this is the total answer. This brings an end to a very good set of DI. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please do subscribe to our channel. And at the end, if you wish to be a part of this legacy, join us as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.